Welcome to Cyber Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll delve into the crucial topic of PC backup and recovery. Your computer houses precious data that is vulnerable to loss or corruption, making it essential to implement a robust backup and recovery system. We'll explore effective strategies and recommend some of the best backup and recovery software options available online. So, let's get started. The importance of PC backup and recovery. Your digital world thrives on data, encompassing cherished memories, work documents, and important files. However, unexpected events like hardware failures, malware attacks, accidental deletions, or natural disasters can lead to irreversible data loss. This emphasizes the criticality of a reliable backup and recovery system. By implementing regular backups and a solid recovery plan, you can minimize the risk of losing your valuable data and ensure uninterrupted productivity. Backup strategies for PC. In this segment, we'll explore various backup strategies tailored to suit different needs and preferences. We'll discuss the renowned 3-2-1 backup rule, which advocates creating 3 copies of your data, storing them in 2 different storage mediums, and keeping 1 copy offsite. This strategy provides redundancy and protects against hardware failures, theft, or unforeseen events. We'll also examine different backup options, including external hard drives, network-attached storage, NAS, cloud storage services, and backup software solutions, highlighting their benefits and helping you choose the best fit for your backup needs. Backup and recovery software recommendations. To simplify the backup and recovery process, utilizing reliable software is highly recommended. Here are some of the best backup and recovery software options available online. Acronis TrueImage. Acronis TrueImage is a powerful backup and recovery software that offers comprehensive features for protecting your data. It allows you to create full system backups, incremental backups, and file-level backups. The software offers flexible scheduling options, ensuring that your data is backed up regularly. Acronis TrueImage also provides cloud storage integration, enabling you to securely store your backups online for added protection. In addition, it offers reliable recovery options, allowing you to restore your system to a previous state in case of data loss or system failure. EaseUs-To-Do Backup. EaseUs-To-Do Backup is a versatile backup and recovery solution that offers a range of features to suit your needs. It supports various backup types, including full backups, incremental backups, and differential backups. The software allows you to choose from multiple storage destinations, such as external hard drives or network-attached storage, NAS. EaseUs-To-Do Backup also provides additional features like disk cloning, system migration, and backup encryption for enhanced security. It includes a user-friendly recovery interface, making it easy to retrieve lost or damaged files and restore your system to a functional state. Recover. Recover is a popular data recovery software that specializes in retrieving deleted files. It can recover files from various storage devices, including hard drives, memory cards, and USB drives. Recover scans your storage media for traces of deleted files and offers a simple interface to select and recover the desired files. It also provides advanced features like deep scanning and secure deletion options. Recover is an excellent choice when you accidentally delete important files and need to recover them swiftly. Data recovery techniques. Despite implementing robust backup strategies, data loss or corruption can still occur. In this segment, we'll delve into data recovery techniques to help you retrieve lost or damaged files. We'll cover basic recovery methods such as utilizing the recycle bin for deleted files and leveraging system restore points for stability issues. For more complex recovery scenarios, we'll discuss the importance of professional data recovery services and provide tips on selecting reputable service providers while ensuring the safety of your data. Best practices for PC backup and recovery. To conclude our guide, we'll share essential best practices for PC backup and recovery. We'll emphasize the importance of regular backups, integrity testing, and keeping your backup and recovery software up to date. Additionally, we'll highlight the significance of maintaining robust cybersecurity measures to prevent data loss due to malware or cyber attacks. Thank you for joining us on this journey to safeguard your data through effective PC backup and recovery strategies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Stay tuned for our next video where we explore more fascinating topics in the world of technology. Until then, stay safe and keep your data protected.